Hi guys, welcome back to Sastra Vibes. In our previous video, we have discussed regarding National Merit Scholarship, that is NSP. You already, I think you have seen that video. So we have discussed three types of scholarship schemes. One is Central Sector Scheme, another one is Pragati, and third one is Swanath Scheme. So for Central Sector Scheme, the people will get 12,000 rupees per year, that is UG students, and 20,000 rupees for PG students will be getting. For Pragati, 50,000 rupees, that is the fixed amount. And for Swanath scholarship, who are orphans, they will get 50,000 rupees. So this is the scholarship amount. They will directly debit into your bank accounts only. They will not debit into college bank account or etc. They will directly debit into your bank account. This is by central government scheme. Before proceeding with the scholarship, your bank account should be linked with your Aadhaar account. Your bank account should be seeded with your bank account. Now I will show you the process how to seed your bank account with your Aadhaar account. That is NPCI portal. Search for NSP in the Google and scroll down to this page after clicking on the button students. Then it will take to one more page. There you can see Aadhaar seeding. So if your bank account is not linked with your Aadhaar account, then the money will be not debited into your account. So first you should complete this Aadhaar seeding process. So if you have already linked your bank account with Aadhaar account, so you can check in this link. And if you are new, you don't know how to seed your bank account with Aadhaar card, so click on this link. It will redirect to a YouTube video. There you can check how to link your bank account. Once Aadhaar seeding is completed, you can receive your payment to your bank account, that what the NPCI is linked. Then next step, click on the login. After login, login with OTR and give your registration number and password, that is OTR and password. If you are new, here it will tell to apply for fresh. Click on apply for fresh and click on all the statements that you agree and click on I agree. After that, select your state. So now you are going to apply for post matric scholarship, not pre matric scholarship. Pre matric scholarship is for juniors, that is below 12th class. Now you are above 12th class, so you should apply for post matric scholarship. After that, click on scholarship or incentive. So I am clicking on scholarship. So click on the apply button. So it will redirect to my applications. So here you can see that one application has been created. So click on the proceed, and inside you will get many details. You want to fill all those details, and in the final stage I will show you. So general information is your first stage, and second it will ask about academic details, that is your 10th class 12th class details. Application specific, it automatically takes. Scheme available. So for some people it may show three type of schemes, it may show one type of scheme, it may show two type of schemes. Based on the scholarship amount, select the scholarship. And next, scheme specific details, it will ask some more details, your 10th class percentage and 12th class percentage. Click on that and submit your documents. Before submitting, you want to upload some documents in there. I have already discussed with you. You want to upload these type of documents, that is Aadhaar card. You want to upload Aadhaar card, bank account passbook first page, income certificate, caste certificate if applicable, and 12th class mark sheet, bona fide certificate that is given from our college. You want to upload all these documents with your photograph and signature if it asks. After completing uploading your documents, it will take to application undertaking. You want to go to that application undertaking and submit. I have studied all the careful details, and click on the checkbox and click on the final submit. Once you click on the final submit, there will be no option to change any form of details. So if you are entered any wrong details, then delete that. That is, I will show you. Once you click on proceed, it will redirect to this page. So there you can withdraw your application. If you fill the application details correctly, there will be nothing problem. If you have done wrong, click on the withdraw application and withdraw your document. Again, you can follow the same procedure to apply for the new scholarship and click on all the details and fill it carefully. So your current status, it will show here, and institute verification details, our institute must verify all the details. So it will show all the type of details, and finally the payment amount, when it has sent, it will show you here. So this is the process of bank seeding and what are the documents submit to college. So the red color tick mark given are the applications you should submit in the college, that is in the register office opposite to Vinayaka temple. Go to register office and give this red color ticked check boxes, that is NSP application form. You will get a NSP application form there in the NSP portal. So you want to take a printout of it and you want to take the sign from the register and you want to upload that copy in the NSP portal. That copy you should submit in the college. Next, Aadhaar card Xerox you want to submit in the college. Next, previous year mark sheet, that is for 12th class mark sheet, you want to submit in the college. And next, bona fide certificate, if they ask you want to submit in the college, take and go a Xerox copy. Next, 2 photographs you want to submit in the college. These are the documents you want to submit in the college. So we have discussed about bank seeding, what documents you have to submit and how to submit. So these are the things. So one of the important note, all the scholarships are credited directly into your bank accounts, that is DBT, direct banking transfer, after successful Aadhaar bank seeding plus college plus state verification. Once the college verification is done, that will be verified by your state officer also. That is all online process. You should not do anything. You need not do anything. That process is by automatic. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. If you have any further doubts, you can also comment me or mail me so that I can reply you and help you in the further process. Thank you.